Updating your billing information on OpenAI Enterprise is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Login. Access your OpenAI Enterprise account by visiting the official website and entering your login credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profiles section. Look for the Billing or Payment Settings option in the menu. Step 3. Access payment information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your information. Enter your new billing information, including credit card details or billing address. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new billing information is recorded. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date. Regularly check your details to avoid any disruptions in service.